People say PVC membranes doesn't withstand much, and that it's too thin, that you can't really walk on it without damaging it. Some even say one layer of PVC just isn't safe enough. So let's find out if it's true. PVC roofing membranes are used on roofs all over the world, from schools and offices to industrial buildings and green roofs. Yet the strongest opinions about PVC comes from people who haven't really tested it. To prove this myth wrong, we need to understand what PVC actually is and how it's designed to perform. This is where PVC membranes are tested before they ever reach your roof. One of the most common claims is that PVC is too thin to be durable. Why do people believe that?
Our products have been perfected through many years. Strength is not about thickness itself, it's how the material is built, which raw materials we use, the reinforcement, and the products they are developed to be resistant, robust. There is a lot of factors that comes into account here.
And you also do a lot of quality tests on materials as well.
Oh yes, we do a lot of testing, and one of them is the impact testing. This is the equipment we use for the impact testing.
Can you explain to us how it works?
Of course. This is an equipment where we have a load of 1 kilo falling down on the membrane. This will symbolize falling sharp objects like a knife, a hammer, whatever, screwdrivers. Then it's important which diameter of the fallen object it passes. So it's like if it passes 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 6 millimeter, etc. So this is just then to install the tip of it, and then we use the membrane, 1.5 millimeter membrane, the very thin Protan membrane, as people say, and let's see what they resist. So what we do is then to let it fall. You can see the impact, but it is not a hole through the membrane, and that's the important, no leakages. And to prove that thickness is null, we also test the same with different materials, competitor materials, that are twice the thickness minimum.
So what does this actually mean? For architects, it means freedom to design without compromising safety. For builders, it means a robust solution that performs during construction. And for building owners, it means fewer issues, lower maintenance, and long-term value. One layer, proven performance. The myth is busted.